Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already primed and set my eyes, and now I'm going to use the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and put that on the inner part and outer part of my eyes as well as in my crease. The second shade I'm putting in the center of my eyes, and then the third shade I'm going to put in the inner corner of my eyes, but I'll come back and do that later on, because I went ahead and did some other things first and then came back to it just because I forgot about it. If you love makeup tutorials like this, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss anything. I post new shorts every Monday and full tutorials every Friday. And if you enjoy this look, don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps my channel grow, and I truly appreciate your support. Next, I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Ioni Wispy Natural Crisscross Long Lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. Next, I'm using the AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach to set where I have that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in Tan Deep, and you can use this in 4 ways. Use it alone, over or under makeup. You can mix it with foundation or use it as a highlighter. So it has multiple uses and I really like it. So if you're looking for affordable new foundation or a different product to use, something different, I would definitely recommend this. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. For blush, I'm using Juvia's Place Blushed Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the second shade from the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D Highlighter Palette. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and their Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think of this look. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my new shorts every Monday and new tutorials every Friday. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.